Alright, here's a look at some of the judgments by the Indian Supreme Court that proved to be ineffective. After the Kumbakonam school fire tragedy that killed more than 90 children, the Supreme Court issued a guideline asking schools to form a fire safety panel that should have adequate representation by parents. But in reality, according to Delhi government minister, majority of the schools in the national capital did not apply for the fire safety certificate, and those who did possess the adequate clearances did not apply for renewal. Despite top court verdict that made alternate accommodation mandatory for residents in case of a slum demolition, 1,000 families were forcefully evicted during the demolition of a slum in Delhi. The Supreme Court verdict failed to impose a complete ban on the use of tinted plastic films on side windows of cars. While pronouncing the verdict, the court even said that the black films have been proving to be criminals' paradise and a social evil. In reality, the black films can be seen making a comeback on the Indian roads. Cars can be seen sporting opaque films, especially during the summer season. Another instance was when the Supreme Court instructed the central government to translocate the Asiatic lions from the Gir National Park, expressing fears that they may be vulnerable to extinction due to unpredictable events such as communicable diseases and forest fires. In reaction to the verdict, the Gujarat state government said that the Asiatic lions were completely safe in Gir and thus refused to relocate them. Earlier this year, when the protests over release over Padmavati rocked the entire nation, the Supreme Court quashed a notification against the release of the film. The top court even directed for states to ensure the release of the period drama. In reality, the Gujarat multiplex owners refused to screen Padmavat, expressing fear of violence and damage to their property.